This is the INIU P63 E1 power bank. It's the market's smallest 25,000 milliamp hour capacity power bank with 100 watt fast charging. Before we get started, I want to thank INIU for sending this out to me. I have a bunch of power banks here at home, and this has been my go-to recently because of how powerful it is to keep my laptop charged, as well as all my camera gear when I'm out traveling or just out shooting videos. Anyways, let's get into the specs of this thing. So this is the market's smallest 100 watt 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. It uses INIU's high density tiny cell that helps make this 20 to 30% smaller and thinner than other batteries with the same capacity. It also uses INIU's hyperstack technology to create a more compact circuit stacking. So the length of the power bank can be reduced by 15 millimeters without sacrificing power or performance. There are 3 outputs on this charger. There are 2 USB-Cs, with one of them also being the input to charge the power bank. And there's also one USB-A output. Here's a quick guide on the power distribution when you're using each output. For example, to get the max output of 100 watts, you would use one USB-C in the first port. If you're using the first USB-C and a USB-A, you'll get 65 watts and 18 watts respectively. It does support pass-through charging, so you can use the power bank while it's charging. Just keep in mind that you'll have to charge it through the USB-C 1 port. For reference, it can give one full charge to my 14-inch M1 MacBook Pro. It takes about 30 minutes to get it to about 50%, or 3.5 charges on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, where it'll charge to 60% in the same amount of time. It takes just under an hour and a half to fully charge the power bank itself. There's a simple and easy to read LCD display here to show how much juice you still have left. What I like about this power bank is that it's airline friendly, so there won't be an issue bringing this onto a plane. If TSA has an issue with it, just give me a call. I won't know how you got my number, nor can I really do anything about it though. You're not gonna have a problem taking this on your next flight. It comes with this nice travel pouch and includes a 3-year warranty, so if you have any quality issues with it, they'll send you a new one. And if they don't, you know who to call. Now, one thing I wish this had would be wireless charging capabilities. I know it would probably make it bigger, but it would be nice if I could have this charging my laptop and then just throw my phone on top of it to charge it. Either that, or I wish it had a built-in cable. It's not a big issue though. I think I've just been spoiled by other chargers that have built-in cables, so it would have been nice if this one had one too. That being said, this power bank is great for people looking for a lot of power in a small package. I can easily charge my camera, drone, and action cam and still have some juice left over. Alright, I'm gonna go hit the gym in case one of you gives me that call about the TSA. See ya.